One sentence from Nvidia's CEO added billions to a company's value, and now Wall Street can't stop buying the stock. Welcome to WealthyKlicks. Marvell Technology just exploded higher again after joining one of the most important clubs in finance. But here's the unsettling part. This rally may not just be about AI growth anymore. It may now be driven by forced buying from the biggest funds in the world. Let's begin with the moment everything changed. At Computex 2026 in Taipei, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang stood beside Marvell CEO Matt Murphy and said this: "Ladies and gentlemen, the next trillion-dollar company." He was talking about Marvell. The stock immediately exploded more than 30% in a single session. That was the biggest one-day gain in the company's history. Suddenly, Wall Street started treating Marvell like one of the most important AI infrastructure companies in America. Now here's the part most people completely missed. Marvell had actually been eligible for the S&P 500 for a long time, but the company couldn't enter because of a technical accounting rule. Even though the business was growing rapidly, its acquisition-heavy strategy created accounting charges that hurt official GAAP profits. That finally changed this year, and the moment Marvell cleared the profitability requirement, S&P announced the stock would officially join the index on June 22nd. Because trillions of dollars track the S&P 500, that means massive index funds are now forced to buy Marvell shares. Now let's talk about the AI side of the story. Marvell is becoming deeply connected to the biggest AI companies in the world. The company works with Amazon Web Services on custom AI chips, and it also designs Microsoft's Maya chips. And now Nvidia itself has partnered with Marvell through its NVLink Fusion ecosystem. That puts Marvell in the center of the AI infrastructure war. The AI data center industry is expected to see hundreds of billions of dollars in spending over the next few years, and Marvell wants to become the plumbing powering that expansion. But now comes the dangerous question. Has Wall Street become too optimistic again? Marvell stock is already trading at extremely expensive valuations. History shows that AI stocks can fall very fast when expectations get too high. Even after the recent rally, some analysts warn that one weak earnings report could trigger another brutal correction. So investors are now watching one thing very closely. Can Marvell's future growth actually justify all this excitement? Because if AI spending keeps accelerating, Marvell could become one of the biggest winners of the next tech cycle. But if growth slows, this rally could become very fragile. If you enjoy stories about Wall Street, AI stocks, billionaire tech moves, market psychology, and the hidden signals shaping America's economy, follow and subscribe to WealthyKlicks because we post stories like this every single day. Thank you for watching.